In this video, I'm going to show you a little trick you can use with playlist and how important it is to use playlist to embed in your blog rather than just using the video link itself. And I'm going to give you an example first, then we're going to go in and I'm going to show you how to do it. So as you can see, let's go back to the home page here just so I can show you. Now we're going to go down to the top 10. Let's go back to the one that I just had pulled up, the top 30 free tweaks, just because I know that it worked properly. Now when we open that page up, you see we get a video down here at the bottom. Now you can install a plugin, which I have it installed, but I don't have this feature turned on. You can get a plugin that will make the videos play automatically when the page loads. Sometimes that works and sometimes it doesn't work well, because if you have more than one video on a page, then they all start playing at one time. But there's a setting for that too, but that gets complicated, so I just turned it off. So if we go ahead and try to play this video here, I'm going to scroll it all the way up to the end, and I'm going to let the last few seconds play, and I want you to watch what happens. Share this video on Facebook. It helps me so much when you share it on Facebook and Twitter. Subscribe if you aren't a subscriber. We do this kind of stuff all the time here, and keep coming back. Now, hey YouTube, it's I did not touch anything. Today we're going to be doing the top 5 tweaks for the week. And it went right straight into playing the next video. I'm going to do the same thing right here. Coming back. And you might be saying, well, what's happening? Okay. When I embedded that video in my blog post, I embedded the playlist for that video. Yes, that video plays first because that's the video that I used. And let me show you how you do that. All you have to do, first of all, of course you have to have a playlist created. And that's how come it's very important from day one you start creating playlists so you can use them in situations such as this. And now we're going to go into my channel here, and I'm going to go to that particular video, which was 30 free tweaks. I'm going to hit edit, and you see, if I were to come over here and I just copied in that particular link right there, that's just for that one video. Okay, if I come back out of that video,
if you have a
all right, and what we should have done is we should have gone over here to the playlist section right here. And I know that that video is in the iOS 8 free Cydia tweaks. Right there is where it is. It's the top video. All I have to do now is click play. Now when we get our share link, come back out here and hit share. We get the link. Look how much longer it is. It's because it's the playlist video. You see right there, list. So this is the link we need to copy in our blog post. That way when that video ends, it's going to automatically start the next video, and chances are your viewers will watch the next video. So this is going to increase your views tremendously by doing this. And you know what the sad part is, guys, is I just learned this like 6 months ago. I just stumbled upon it myself. No one showed me, but I am sharing this with you guys because I want you to have a little bit of an advantage to get things rolling. Okay? So be sure to include the playlist. I can't say that enough. It will help you in so many ways.